Besides giving you a competitive price and being fully insured, what are the things you should be looking at when hiring a commercial cleaning company? My name is Raul. I am the cleaning guy. I've been in the cleaning industry since 2014, and I'm here to tell you 10 things you have to ask a commercial cleaning company before you hire them. Question number one, how long have they been in business? You want to hire a company that has been in business long enough to have their process figured out. If you hire a new commercial cleaning company, they might struggle as they learn, and you don't want to suffer that. So make sure the cleaning company you choose has been in business long enough. Do they require a long-term contract? You don't want to be stuck in a contract with a commercial cleaning company. Find a company that gives you a month-to-month agreement. That way, if something changes with your budget in the future, you can stop that services without any issue. And a 30-day notice should be more than enough to terminate that agreement. How do they handle customer service? You want them to explain you what will be the process for you to contact them. They might have more than one option, like a software where you can send any request, or maybe they give you one point of contact that will answer your emails, your texts, or your phone calls. If they provide good customer service, you should get an answer to any concern or any problem within 1 hour. How do they handle turnover, sick employees, or emergencies? If you have a business where your clients are visiting your facility, you cannot afford them to arrive into a dirty place. So make sure that your cleaning company explain you how will they handle this so you don't have an interruption on services. How do they handle accounting? We never think about that until you need a credit in an invoice or there is a wrong number or wrong PO that you want to correct in an invoice and nobody's getting back to you. You tell your point of contact that you need the change and it takes forever to get that change. That's why maybe they have their accounting department in another state. This is a national company and it's handled from corporate. So you want to make sure that there is an easy process for you to get any accounting correction done fast. Ideally, the same person that handles accounting will be in the office with your point of contact, so that gets handled right away for you. Are they local? If the owner of the company lives in New York or California, he will not know anything about your Iowa business. It is always better to hire a local company where you can meet the owner. If they are national, there is more chances that they will have more turnover and management, so maybe your point of contact is changing often. Also, it will be more difficult to reach accounting department because it's probably in another state. It is always better to hire a local company where the owner takes the time to meet you and it's involved in the day-to-day operations. How big are they? Unless you're handling a big building, a big multi-tenant, or a big facility, you don't want to be with one of the top 5 biggest companies in your city. If they are billing more than $1 million a month, how much do you think they will care about your $500 a month contract? If you have a medium big size facility, go with a medium-sized company. If you have a small facility, go with a small company. You will get better customer services, and the chances that the owner is involved in the day-to-day operations are high. What other services do they offer? You maybe are looking only for cleaning right now, but in the future, your building will need window cleaning, carpet cleaning, strip and wax the floors. So you can ask them what other services they can offer to you. That way, in the case you need an emergency carpet cleaning, they can handle it, will be easier for you. What is their quality control process? How do they know if the cleaners show up? How do they know how long the cleaners stay there? Do they have managers that supervise the cleaning? Do they perform inspections on the building? The answer to all these things will tell you a lot about how good their quality control process will be. What type of equipment and chemicals do they use? Ask them about that. If they use backpack vacuums, microfiber towels, green chemicals, the tools that the cleaners use will help them a lot to make a quality cleaning. So make sure they are using professional equipment. Ask for references. This is really obvious, but you should ask for businesses that they clean around your business and businesses that they clean that are similar to your business. If you're a medical facility, you want to make sure they clean other medical facilities so they know how to handle this. If the reference they give you are far from your business or they are not similar to your business, maybe that means they are not big enough and you should consider about using them. Hey, thanks for watching until the end. If you like it, give me a like or a comment. That will help a lot. If you want to learn more about the cleaning industry and the cleaning in general, subscribe to my channel and I will be posting a video every week. Thank you.